Skyhawk 272, maintain VFR at or above 6,000.
Maintaining VFR at or above 6,000, 272.
IFO 521, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 10,000.
Descend to maintain 10,000, pilot's discretion, IFO 521.
And departure radar 686. Looks like we're going to get pretty low to this terrain out here at 10,000 on the heading you gave us.
So running 686. MBA in your area 9,900. The mountain, the peak is up to 8,600. If you want, you can say your current altitude.
Yeah, we'll level off here for 686.
Albuquerque, United 2664, 180, descending via the zone of 1, we have Juliet.
United 2664, turn right heading 265, vector for visual approach, runway 11 left, descend and maintain 2,000.
Hey, right turn 265, 12,000, United 2664.
Tucson approach, this is 272. There was something strange that just flew by off the left side. It looks like some type of drone, but it was like red and silver. I couldn't really tell the altitude, just a little bit below me, 272.
272, roger, thank you.
Power Scott 5583, 4,200 on 17,000, heading 120.
Scott 5583, Tucson departure, radar contact, turn right heading 160.
Right heading 160, Scott 5583.
IFO 521, descend and maintain 7,000.
Descend to maintain 7,000, that's 521.
Scott 5583, traffic 3 o'clock, 2 miles southbound, a Skyhawk 4,500.
Look at Scott 5583.
Scott 5583 at a 5,500, turn right direct kilo in.
5,000 at 5,500, right turn direct kilo in, Scott 5583.
Tucson approach Arizona 322, field inside frequency change approved, question mark?
And 272, the drone you would say would 8,000 feet? Skyhawk 272, Tucson approach.
272, Tucson is here.
And the drone, you said at 8,000 feet?
It was a little bit below me. I was at 8,000, and it wasn't like a normal looking drone. It looked more vertical than like the quadcopter type, and it was silver and red, and it was heading east.
All right, thank you. IFO 521, Tucson is 10 o'clock and 2 miles.
IFO 521 is Tucson in sight.
IFO 521, quick visual approach only 11 left, and you were approved through Davis Mountain. Contact tower 118.3.
All right, clear for the visual, 11 left, we'll contact tower 521.
Airsun 322, contact Ryan tower 125.8.
125.8. Will I contact you on this frequency when I leave?
It'll be 128.5 departure frequency.
128.5, thank you. Airsun 322.
United 2664, descend and maintain 1,000.
To maintain 11,000, United 2664.
Freight runner 686, descend and maintain 9,000.
9,000 there, 686.
Quite Tucson, supplies 35 Whiskey Hotel 7,000, they're going direct to Cut2. Anyway, we can cancel IFR, we have the airport in sight for 35 Whiskey Hotel. Okay, we can take you for revisions at the creek.
Slot is 35 Whiskey Hotel, Tucson approach, Tucson, altimeter 3004, IFR cancellation for seat traffic, 12 o'clock, 5 miles southbound, altitude indicates 4,300.
Okay, thanks. And did you get the IFR cancellation, sir?
Slot is 35 Whiskey Hotel, affirmative IFR cancellation for seat, maintain VFR.
Appreciate it, thanks.
Free runner 686, descend and maintain 7,000.
7,000, Baron 686.
272, maintain VFR at or above 5,000.
Maintain VFR at or above 5,000, 272.
Bearing 639, 4.7, climb 17,000, heading 120.
American 639, Tucson departure, radar contact. And use caution, drone reported right off your 9 o'clock and 3 miles. Eastbound, last observed right around 8,000.
Copy.
United 2664, descend and maintain 9,000.
Stephen 11, descending 90, United 2664.
Free runner 686, descend and maintain 6,000.
6,000, Baron 686.
South 5583, contact Albuquerque Center 125.4.
125.4, Scout 583.
Scott, so I'm going to keep you here for a little bit longer. I might have some more questions reference to the drone.
Oh yeah, no problem, 272.
American 639, turn left heading 090.
Left turn 090, American 639.
And can I get the color of the drone again, 272?
Yeah, it was silver and red. It almost reminded me of like an Iron Man suit, although not exactly like that, but like a silvery red color.
Oh, nice. Thanks.
It was pretty weird.
Yeah. Calling Tucson broken, unreadable. Salada Whiskey Hotel, the traffic's no factor. Additional traffic, 12 o'clock, 5 miles, opposite direction, altitude indicates 5,400.
Okay, we're looking, thanks for Whiskey Hotel.
United 2664, turn 10 degrees right.
10 right, United 2664.
Freight runner 686, Tucson is 9 o'clock and 8 miles.
And Freight Runner 686.
For Freight Runner 686, clear visual approach, only 11 left, contact tower 118.3.
Clear visual 11 left over tower, Freight Runner 686, cadet.
Skyhawk 272, thanks for the help. Altitude is your discretion, contact tower 118.3, take care.
Switching over to Ryan Tower, 272.
Affirmative, take care.
Thank you.
Bye. United 2664, descend and maintain 7,000.
Leaving 9er, descending 7, United 2664.
20 to the north and down.
20 to the north, broken, unreadable. If you're over by Mount Lemmon, just report back in about 5 miles. American 639, clear direct, San Simone. Sierra Oscar.
San Simone, American 639.
Lattice South Whiskey Hotel, the traffic is now 12 o'clock, a mile opposite direction. Altitude indicates 6,100. Change to advisory frequency approved.
Appreciate it. Thanks for the help for Whiskey Hotel. We're looking. Thanks.